Joining us here on the news at 4:30, I'm Mike Seela. Police in Statesboro are pointing to an alarming trend in drug overdoses and deaths. Police Chief Michael Broadhead voicing his concerns on the department's social media platforms. Our Bureau Chief Dow Kennedy spoke with him about the problem and the ways to find a solution.
Statesboro's police chief says the rise in local drug overdose deaths reflects a problem that's emerging nationwide.
Chief Mike Broadhead says his officers have already been called to 7 drug overdose cases so far this year. That's as many as they saw in all of 2022. In fact, they've seen 5 deaths already compared to 4 last year. Broadhead says many cases share a common root.
The problem is that fentanyl is so dangerous that it's measured in micrograms. And so if you put, grams instead of micrograms, you're going to kill somebody.
He says dealers are mixing fentanyl into common recreation drugs to spread them further or to mimic prescription pills.
And they just don't have any idea what they're getting. It might look like a legitimate pharmaceutical, but in fact had been manufactured in some, backyard lab someplace.
He says more people need to view drug addiction as an illness and look for ways to get people treated. Family and friends must be willing to help.
There's an amnesty law in the state of Georgia that if you're with someone and they're having an overdose reaction, you can call for 911 help for them without suffering any kind of repercussions of being arrested.
He says drug courts and available treatment would encourage people to get help and be less worried about getting arrested.
He says it will take the entire community and the entire nation working together to solve this. In Statesboro, Dow Kennedy, WTOC News.